KICKER 46HS10 Hideaway Subwoofer Review. Real 10-inch compact bass results under the seat. You're driving down the highway with your favorite song playing, but something feels hollow. The bass just isn't there. A friend showed me his truck last month with a massive subwoofer box eating his entire rear seat area, and I watched him struggle to fit groceries around it. That's not a solution. That's a compromise nobody should accept. Sound familiar to you? Here's what really stings. Every time you turn up the volume hoping for that missing bass impact, you just get louder emptiness and muddy mid-range struggling to compensate. One sedan owner told me he gave up entirely on bass after 3 failed installations ate his trunk. The frustration compounds. There's actually a way to reclaim both bass and space without choosing between them. That's when I discovered the KICKER 46HS10 Hideaway Compact Powered Subwoofer, a complete 10-inch bass system with a built-in 180-watt amplifier, compressed into just 4.6 inches of depth, fitting under seats or in spaces where traditional subs would never even be considered. Don't just pick any compact subwoofer. Make sure it has a genuine 10-inch driver with built-in amplification, so you never experience weak, disappointing bass or complicated multi-component installations again. The transformation hits immediately. The die-cast aluminum enclosure houses a custom shallow mount driver that delivers tight, punchy bass you can actually feel in your chest, while the included remote control lets you adjust levels from the driver's seat without touching the radio. A construction project manager nearly lost a big contract because his work truck couldn't carry equipment. Then he discovered the Hideaway under his rear seat delivered serious bass while preserving every inch of cargo utility. The speaker-level inputs work seamlessly with factory stereos. Auto turn-on eliminates wiring headaches, and the sealed enclosure produces accurate, musical bass rather than boomy one-note thunder. Quick bonus, installation typically takes under 2 hours in most vehicles. 6 months into daily driving with the 46HS10, I stopped thinking about what I was missing and started genuinely enjoying every drive because the bass foundation finally matches the rest of the system. That seamless integration is what separates temporary fixes from permanent upgrades. When bass enhances music without calling attention to itself, you know the system is properly balanced. A car audio installation expert noted that KICKER's die-cast aluminum enclosure isn't just marketing talk. It actually dissipates amplifier heat better than plastic competitors while preventing enclosure resonance that muddy sound quality. One verified truck owner mentioned his F-150's factory system sounded incomplete for 2 years until the Hideaway filled the missing low-end gap perfectly. Worried about installation complexity or losing warranty coverage on new vehicles? The non-invasive mounting and factory-compatible inputs preserve vehicle integrity, while professional installers report the Hideaway as their most requested compact sub because customer satisfaction rates consistently exceed expectations. Industry tracking shows compact-powered subwoofers with 10-inch drivers maintain resale value better than smaller alternatives as buyers recognize the performance difference. See why so many truck and SUV owners refuse to consider traditional trunk-mounted systems anymore. What would having genuine bass impact without sacrificing a single inch of usable space actually mean for your daily driving enjoyment? The KICKER 46HS10 Hideaway delivers what space-conscious drivers genuinely need: real 10-inch bass performance, proven 180-watt amplification, and installation flexibility that preserves every bit of your vehicle's utility and cargo capacity. Join the growing number of truck owners, SUV drivers, and sedan enthusiasts already experiencing complete sound systems without storage compromise. Results may vary based on vehicle acoustics and installation quality. If you're ready to stop choosing between bass and space and finally have both working together, check the link in the description and experience the difference today. Your vehicle deserves complete sound.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.